So next up, we have the leg lifts. So the opposite to passive mobility or flexibility is obviously active range. So if we have super tight hamstrings and super weak hip flexors, then obviously we're not going to be able to get that pike. So we just focused on lengthening out our posterior. Now we need to work on strengthening our anterior. And the easiest way to get in the game with this is by sitting on a box, grabbing onto the front, and then just going through some leg lifts. So to lift the leg, you've got the hip flexors and the rec fem and the quads having to do their job to lift the leg up against gravity. So that's the easiest way to get in the game because you've got that clearance of the leg. To make it harder, we'd move to the floor and we'd start with our hands behind our back so that we can lean back and we don't have so much tension through the front. So you're gonna feel your abs working, obviously your hip flexors and quads as well. To make that harder, you just move your hands forward and further forward. And you can obviously make it harder by spending more time under tension, by pausing in the hard positions. You can go straddle, and you'd focus on the VMO a little bit more through there. How does that feel? Pretty good. Cramp. So yeah, give those a crack and get in the game.